In today's video, I get attacked by a cat. Hope I got that on camera. I visit Bangkok's naughtiest street. This is where the magic happens. And spot a monk. And there you guys have a real monk. Join me for this incredible adventure around the historic center of Bangkok. Hello and a wonderful good morning from Bangkok. I'm here in the old town, about to explore the historic center of the city, and I'm currently in a wholesale market. I'm about to head to a temple, which I will quickly show you guys. And after that, we're on the way to the Royal Palace and some other temples, as well as the Old Siam Plaza, which I heard is really cool. So let's see. Check out this market next to the river, guys. It's a wholesale place, apparently, and it's super fascinating. So I just found out that maybe like 100 meters further this way is the flower market, a very famous place here in the city. So I'm gonna check that out next. And there's the entrance to the flower market. Let's see what we can find in there after we somehow cross the street. Not sure how. It's very wet down here. Because funnily enough, you need water for the plants. How cool is that? If you happen to be an expert, please let me know what these flowers are. There's a lot of them, but they're always the same. Yellow, white, and pinkish, kind of. And then I have stuffed animals as well. How cute. I have a feeling this market is everything that is needed for like a wedding or a birthday. That's what it's for, so people can come here and basically grab everything they need for a celebration. Funnily enough, there isn't a whole lot of tourists in this place. So far, I'm the only one in this warehouse. After I left the market, I crossed the river and went to Wat Prayorabongsawa's Varavihan temple on the less touristic side of the Bangkok river. There's a nice little walkway on top. It's super clean and you can really oversee the entire city from up here. The views are absolutely gorgeous. In the middle of the temple, there's a gorgeous white chetty. And if you enter between the walls and the chetty, there's also a beautiful walkway with a nice little shrine. After that, I crossed the river and saw Wat Arun temple in the background. The Chao Phraya River is pretty touristic, with many tourist boats navigating up and down every day. And I do have to admit that this bridge was also a real vibe. Look at these really cool historic houses here in the center of Bangkok. You can tell these are probably from the 19th century. Probably still colonial rule. And then there's this little street where they sell fresh produce. And it just looks so vibey. Old Siam Plaza should be just over there, behind the intersection. There it is, the Old Siam Plaza. It's a shopping mall, as well as a residential place. Apparently there are units on the 4th floor. Let's cross the street and go inside. So I think school's out, so this mall is absolutely full of students. And in the middle there's just like random stuff, and then the real shops are around the place, like this one, for instance. Look at this very cool building as well on the other side of the street. Not sure what it is, but it looks very uniform and it goes all the way to the next intersection. Just a little bit further this way, there's the giant swing, a landmark of Bangkok, as well as some temples, some very famous temples. So that's the next spot we're gonna go. I wonder what they're producing here. Is that Swedish on the paper box? What? That's absolutely crazy. I'm sure the shop has been here for a century. This temple is called Wat Sutat, and this is all of it right here. I've been inside before. It's quite nice, but in the end all temples look very similar in Thailand, or especially in Bangkok. It is quite a pretty roof though. I do have to say, the color of that is absolutely stunning. It's like a light orange. Funnily enough, last time I visited it was free. Now it's 100 baht for foreigners. But as I said, I've been inside, so it's fine. Next up, we're on the way to the giant swing, which is just over there. On this side of the street, there's a Hindu temple in the middle of this park, and then right here is the giant swing, which is one of the most famous landmarks in Bangkok. And then around the giant swing you have all kinds of ministries. And then here's a shop where they sell Buddha statues. I do believe this has to be a ministry of something, of some description, not sure what. We're gonna find out. So I wasn't 100% right, this is actually the town hall of Bangkok. I'm not sure if you knew, but in Thailand they actually have a different calendar. So today it's actually Monday, November the 2567th year, which is crazy. This right here is the Democracy Monument and the square that it is on. There's currently a traffic chaos going on. Obviously one of the most important arteries of the Bangkok traffic system. But there you go, the Democracy Monument looking mighty fine today in this glowing sun. This looks like some sort of field trip for a school. Not sure what's going on. I'm now on the way to the most iconic place in Bangkok perhaps, which is Khao San Road. Anyone who's ever backpacked through Thailand has been to Khao San Road. I've been there personally a few years ago and I've eaten scorpions and bugs and grasshoppers. Not going to do that this time, it's actually not even dark out. But let's see what it's like in 2024 to go to Khao San Road. Now bro, this feels like Magaluf or Benidorm. Not a big fan of this road. Maybe I'm just getting too old for this. Possible. This is where the magic happens for some people. And there you guys have a real monk. That was a huge homeless camp next to a canal, which also is a theme in Bangkok. You do get a lot of homeless people and they're all accumulated in one certain area, probably because it's safer to be in a large group. This to the right of me is the country's Supreme Court, which is very close to the palace, and I'm honestly about to pass out from the heat. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys the palace and then take another motorbike home. This building to the right of me is actually the Ministry of Defense, also a very photogenic and old building with a little canal next to it. Hello. Okay. Hope I got that on camera. Ministry of Defense. And then right next to me, on the outside of the road, is the Royal Palace with these amazing buildings. I actually personally did not enjoy my visit to the Royal Palace. I mean, it's stunning inside. However, it's so crowded and yeah, everybody's just pushing. So Yeah, also pretty expensive for Thai standards. Not only for Thai standards. It was like, when I visited, it was like 5 years ago. It was definitely quite expensive for this country, for sure. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the center of Bangkok. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm now going to take a motorbike back to my place, shower, because I'm absolutely wet, as you can probably tell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe.